Welcome to BOSCH Bits. We're going to remove the fan assembly of a BOSCH mini-split indoor unit. We're going to lift these two tabs, one of which, the one on the right, exposes a screw. We remove that singular screw, and that allows us to remove the lower portion of the cabinet. We need to remove the condensate tube from its fitting. Easy to do. Simply slide the clip off of the pin, and now you can pull the tube off the fitting. Now we're going to undo these two lower retaining clips. Just flip them open. Now we can remove the fan assembly from the chassis of the indoor unit. To gain some slack in the wiring harnesses, we'll simply remove them from its holder. And lastly, we'll remove these two brackets, each one having a singular screw. And now we can remove the motor with the blower wheel from its cradle. Come on, you got to give it up. This entire process was done in less than 2 minutes. Absolute kudos to BOSCH for this new design. And please keep in mind that the evaporator does not have to be taken off the wall to perform this procedure. It's actually easier that the evaporator is on the wall because that gives the chassis some rigidity and stability as you remove the fan assembly.